It's windpocalypse today! It is a little bit windy today at the ranch. We passed the septic inspection next door. Yes! So tomorrow we start backfilling. Woohoo! Once we get backfilled, we can start working on our stuff. But it's been cold. This wind is nuts! We're supposed to get gusts up to 75 to 80 miles per hour today. So far that hasn't happened, but it's definitely been in the 20s. This week, we endured windpocalypse, and that experience reminded me of some of the lessons we have learned about living rural, and some of the things that perhaps you haven't considered, but might want to start thinking about if you're planning to homestead. Let's talk about your backup plan, starting with heat. Whatever heating system you are planning, be it forced air, radiant floor, baseboard, or wood stove heating, you'll want a backup. Power failures are inevitable, and they usually happen during inclement weather, and in a rural setting, it could be out for hours or even days. Have a backup source for your heat. Wood stove or some type of fuel-based heaters are excellent for staying warm. If you're using something like a propane or kerosene heater, make sure you crack open a window to allow some fresh air into your home. I know it's kind of counterintuitive, but you don't want to wake up dead from lack of oxygen. Have some extra water, batteries, flashlights, or lanterns in place for an emergency, and make sure that you know where they are so that you're not fumbling around in the dark when the time comes. If you have family close by, come up with some sort of plan in case of an outage. Do you all shelter in one place together or stay in your separate homes? In the winter, it could be better to stick together. It's much easier to heat one room than many, so consider having some camp pads and sleeping bags handy so that everyone can crash in one place. If you run on a well, you'll want to have a generator to operate the pump if you're down for long enough to exhaust your extra water supply. You don't have to have a whole house generator because those are a huge expense to set up, but a smaller generator can help operate some very basic systems to help keep you with heat and fresh water. Food. I know it sounds silly, but you'll want a supply of food that you can heat easily with what you have on hand, or food that doesn't require heating. If you have an electric stove, oven, and microwave for all of your cooking, those things won't be functional during a power outage. So you'll have to have an alternative means of cooking in case of extended outages. It sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised at how many people live off of electric appliances. Camping stoves are a great backup. Just make sure that you have fuel for that camping stove, and don't forget to crack a window if you're going to use it for a long period of time. you're down for more than a few hours, you'll need to think about how to keep your food cold, so you don't end up with spoiled food once the power does decide to come back online. And last but not least, have some sort of first aid kit in your home. If your power is out and there's weather happening outside, you may not have an easy egress in case of an emergency. Even a very basic kit with a few essentials is better than nothing. Bandages, cleansing wipes or gel, simple over-the-counter medications, and maybe a quick course to brush up on your first aid skills could really make a difference in an emergency. I hope you found this information useful and interesting. Did we miss anything major? What other things do you think people should consider when living rural or in case of an emergency? Leave a comment below and let us know. As always, thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel, and I hope that you have an amazing rest of your week. Love you. Bye. I think I just channeled Fran in that. Today's small business is Best Meds LLC. Best Meds LLC is a medical canna company based in Old Colorado City, in Colorado Springs. Located at the corner of 26th and Colorado Avenue behind the ice cream shop, Best Meds has been serving local Coloradans since 2019 and offers a discount for our veteran and first responder community. The staff is eager to help you find the right medicine you need to help elevate your mind and alleviate those stresses, aches, and pains that have been dragging you down. Step into Best Meds LLC and instantly you are welcomed into a warm, caring environment. So shop Best Meds LLC and shop local in Old Colorado City.